She was broke, divorced, and depressed, writing in cafes with her baby asleep beside her. 12 publishers rejected her, but she never gave up. This is the incredible true story of J.K. Rowling, the woman who turned rock bottom into magic. Joanne Rowling, better known as J.K. Rowling, was born in England in 1965. From a young age, she loved telling stories, but her life was far from a fairy tale. In her 20s, she lost her mother, suffered through an abusive marriage, and became a single mother. She was jobless, battling depression, and even considered ending her life. She was so poor, she couldn't afford to photocopy her manuscript, so she typed every single copy by hand to send to publishers. And guess what? 12 publishers said no. One even told her children don't want to read long books. But finally, one small publisher, Bloomsbury, took a chance. They gave her a tiny advance and printed just 500 copies of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. That was the spark. Soon, the world fell in love with the boy wizard, the books broke every record, the films became a billion-dollar franchise, and Rowling became the first author to become a billionaire. J.K. Rowling once said, "Rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life." Her story is a reminder. Even when everything seems lost, your story isn't over. Keep writing it. If this inspired you, hit like and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Subscribe for more stories that simplify success and ignite belief.